Hey everybody, got an awesome video for you here today. Today I'm standing in front of this Carrier furnace. This is the 58 series. These were very common in the late 90s, early 2000s, and customers complaining of some noise. So I opened it up. You could see a little bit of debris here. But as I was looking around, just to see, because he was complaining for years, he was hearing like a bit of a rattling sound. Look what I found in the blower. Check this out. Look at that. Looks like nothing. But when I went ahead and then picked it up, look at that. It was a big shard of metal. Look at that. Years and years this guy's been listening to this thing just rattling around. Look at that. Unbelievable.